What resources can be used to find high-performing copy in whatever niche I choose to get into? Is that in your book? No, Sebastian, that's not in the book. Simply put, all you got to do is sign up for your email, sign up for an email list of a person that you want to, I think I can show you this. This shouldn't be anything bad. Right, so here's my inbox for most of the copywriting stuff that I like to look at. So we've got over here, let me show you something. Paradigm. I can almost guarantee you 25-cent trader is going to be in one of the top space ads. So I'm going to click this. This is 25-cent trader, right? I'll open it for you. See, this is a new headline. So there's a new headline, but this is the 25-cent.
My name is Nomi Prince. It's Tuesday.
Anyway, that's 25-cent. Oh yeah, there is at the top. You can see it. 25-cent trader. Okay, right? So that's the top space ad. That means that's the one that they want most, like, to be seen and clicked on. So that means it's the highest performing one. So here's another one about a document. I think this is a different promo. Yeah, it's a different promo. HR passes house. So this is a catalyst, right? This is a catalyst that causes an opportunity to make a ton of money. Here's the catalyst. Cannabis checks. Okay, so this is this is basically Trump bonus checks. This is exactly what Trump bonus checks is. Okay, so they passed a bill. He shows the bill. Most people don't know you can collect billion from this. A loophole. Look at this. Thanks to a loophole in the farm bill, this is basically Trump bonus checks. Cannabis checks. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so that's that. So that's a different one. So there's one that's working. We know it works and why it works, because if you've seen Trump bonus checks, which has been running for a year and 7 months now, I think, that's why they would want to use that sort of format. Okay, top of this one, top space ad, 25-cent trader. What's down here? Let's scroll down. Does the perfect stock exist? So this is another promo that's in the middle, probably performing fairly well. $12.3 trillion tech. Yeah, so boom, boom, boom. So that's the order of how well these promos are probably performing. This is the best one. It's at the top. Okay, so let's go down again. Well, we just looked at that one. Let's go down again. Oh, look what's up top. It's the 25-cent trader. Are you starting to see a pattern here? Obviously, this one is bringing in the millions. All right. So all I did is I signed up for these dudes' email list, Paradigm Press. Let's go to, I want to show you one other thing then. So I can probably show you this too. I've got a little resource doc, and I think I can put this in the show notes or a comment. But those are the email list. You sign up the email list, and then you just click through. So this is Paradigm Presses. You know which promo is working best. Here's 7-Figure Publishing. Okay, so we go to 7-Figure Publishing. We click this. This is their like top 5 sort of like headline style thing where they try to get you to. These are their best promos right now. Millionaire Investor. All right, so Kevin Harrington. All right, we go down to 7-Figure Publishing again. Only marijuana stock you'll ever need. Click here for breaking story. Open that. 7-Figure Publishing. See what this one was. Amazing 17-second video reveals key to tech fortune. So let's see. We got, this is Bonner and Partners. This isn't even Agora. This is a different company. This is Choose Yourself. So this isn't 7-Figure Publishing either. This is a different imprint. This is actually 7-Figure. Okay, so that means these are like affiliate deals sort of style, like where they're pushing like partners. Let's see if we can find what their highest performing thing is right now. This is Trump bonus checks. See right there? See the promise? So this is a space ad for Trump bonus checks. President Pence. This is a re-lead for Trump bonus checks that Rob Braddock wrote, showing what happens if like President Pence becomes the president. And then right here, it kind of transitions back into Trump bonus checks copy. Geez, there it is. There's the original thing. So you see the re-lead? This is the original opener for Trump bonus checks, but you re-lead it by putting all this new stuff up top, kind of makes it fresh. So you can see right there is Trump bonus checks. I get paid if this sells something. That's why copy is so great. All right, you see what I'm doing here though? You can see I'm just going through their stuff. Holy salt beats chemo. That's a cancer one. Seniors have collected thousands. 1-minute demonstration. So what's this? Paradigm Press. Part-time job. Yeah, so this is probably Tim Sykes.
Are you a retiree?
Yeah, okay, cool. I think I'm like beating the horse to death right now. Check promos, they just work. Sebastian says, thanks for the help and content. I think that's all I got for today, guys.
What's up, Copy Squad? I hope you found that useful, and if you'd like to actually join our private conversations in full and get some of this actionable advice for your copy or business, I invite you to check out copysquad.net/join. Here you can sign up for our highest, most exclusive level group, the Copy Squad Inner Circle. Every week we alternate between two types of live meetings to keep our conversation fresh around copy and continually grow our skills together. So one week we take member submissions and questions and we go over user copy, and then the next week we'll do sales letter breakdowns of top tier 7- and 8-figure sales letters by some of the best copywriters and businesses in the game. So that rotates every week. One week we take submissions, the next week we do a sales letter breakdown. These calls are attended by myself, my current writing team, and even some of my previous writers are also regulars on these calls. So there's top tier talent attending all of these calls. We also have a brand new Slack channel for members to share ideas, their copy, experiences, insights, and keep up with our program announcements. So all you got to do is go to this page, copysquad.net/join. Choose whether you want a yearly or monthly membership, and then you can have access to one of the highest performing, most elite copy groups on the planet. Thanks so much for tuning in, and peace out, Copy Squad.